This is called Açai You. I know, right? And they expect me to say this.
Came up with that.
Not me. Hi guys, I'm Anna. I'm the global artist here at e.l.f. Cosmetics, and today we're gonna show you a really pretty soft neutral look on the lid with a little pop of color. We came out with this. It's our putty eye primer. It comes in 6 different shades, and at $5, it really is a steal. I'm gonna use this as a base for her eyeshadow, and what you would use is our flat eyeshadow brush and take a little bit, and you're gonna lay it over her lid just to even out the skin tone. So the color I am using today is called Cream, and I'm just gonna lay down a light layer to her lid. And you know how sometimes we just want a little taste of something? Well, guess what? This is why we came out with these bite-sized eyeshadows. It comes in 8 different shades, and at $3, these are definitely a steal. The color I'm using today is called Cream and Sugar, and I'm gonna be using this coppery rose gold color on her lid. And it's very simple. You're just going to swipe across her whole entire lid. It's very foolproof. You could take a clean brush and buff out the edges just to give you a really pretty soft blend. I'm gonna give her a little pop of color using this one. This is called Açai You.
Açai You.
We're gonna take the first color from this little bite-sized palette, and I'm taking our small angled brush, and I'm gonna use it as an eyeliner for her bottom lash lines. Right underneath her lashes, I'm just going to tap it. So now let's go into finishing her look with some mascara. My little trick, again, is to bend the wand just so I can get in her eye space. So what you wanna do is you wanna tease your lashes from the root to the tip so it can give you that really full, plumped up, voluminous lash look. So there you have it. This completes our work hard look with some products that are gonna really work hard for you so you can play harder throughout the day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.